In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off the two-step verification in your Gmail account. We're going to guide you through this process step by step, ensuring that you can easily manage your account's security settings. Now, turning off two-step verification is a task you should undertake with caution, as it reduces the security of your account. However, if you find it necessary, let's ensure the process is as smooth as possible. First, you'll need to open your web browser and go to your Google account page. This is where all your Google services are connected, so it's the hub for managing your account settings. Once you're there, sign in if you're not already logged in. It's crucial to ensure you're accessing the account where you want to make these security changes, so double-check that you're using the correct credentials. Once you're signed in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find a menu with various options. Click on the Security tab. This section holds all the key options for managing how secure your account is, so you'll find everything related to sign-in and security preferences right here. Now, scroll down a little until you see the section labeled Signing into Google. This is where you control your account's two-step verification settings. Click on Two-Step Verification. You might need to sign in again just for added security. Google occasionally prompts you for this extra sign-in step to make sure it's really you making these changes, which is a good security practice. After signing in again, you'll arrive at the two-step verification settings page. This page provides an overview of how your account is secured by the two-step method. Look for the option to turn off two-step verification. You'll see a button or link that says Turn Off. Go ahead and click on it. A confirmation prompt will appear, and I want to emphasize this part. Take a moment to read it through. This is a chance for Google to remind you that turning off this feature will make your account more vulnerable to unauthorized access. If you understand the implications and still wish to proceed, go ahead and click on Turn Off in the confirmation prompt. Congratulations, you've successfully turned off two-step verification for your Gmail account. While your account will now require only your username and password to access, remember that it's generally recommended to keep two-step verification turned on whenever possible to maintain a high level of security. That's it for today's guide, and I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.